Hey, well, hello to everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope that everybody is doing well. I am doing fine. I feel fantastic. Fantastic. I feel great. I'm grateful. So thank you so much for asking. So yeah, I'm just trying to get some things done. Like I mentioned before, I'm just trying to get some things done. So today is on my list is to get my top surfaces. Yes, you know I was under the weather for a while, so some things were neglected, and um, so I'm trying to get those done. So today I'll be getting the tops of various furnishing surfaces. So I got to get this. It's very dusty and all of that. So I want to get this done. And I know somebody might say, oh, well, I'm not trying to be vain or presumptuous, but somebody might say, oh, nice winterland theme. It's Yes, it is, but it's not for winter. I mean, I love winter. Winter is one of my first favorite season. So I do have a lot of winterland themed decor around the house, and it's around the house year round. So it's not just in the wintertime that you'll see trees and things like that, because I just love winter. So anyway, this is one area on top of my china cabinet that needs to, actually my china cabinet needs to be rearranged, but that's not urgent or important. So but yeah, I got to get the surface of this, and clean off and out all of this stuff. This is another cabinet that holds our glasses and our everyday bowls, and down in the bottom there's storage where I keep it's messy in here, so don't judge, like everybody say, don't judge me. I keep all of my what do you call these things, bags, like Ziploc style bags. Keep all of those in there, foil, paper, brown paper, wax paper, some napkins, my other Ziploc type bags or reusable bags, and all of my produce for fruit and vegetable bags, and all kinds of stuff is down here. But yeah, and did I say, yeah, parchment paper, wax paper, brown paper bags, and I love these for candy, and for, like, if you want to freeze something and you want to keep it separate and whatever. And these are only $1 at Dollar Tree, and you get 100 of them. So I use those as well. Got 1,000 of these my IKEA Ziploc type bags. I love them. Love, love, love them. Love the themes on them and all of that. So that all of this really has to be dusted, and at least the glasses, some of the glasses could be rewashed or whatever. And up here, of course, the top surface needs to be dealt with. I just keep candles up here because I like to light candles when I'm cooking certain foods, fish, and frying certain things that may have an odor. A couple of candles would sort of absorb the odors or whatever, the cooking odors. So I just keep a lot of those up there. And this is just old decor that I've had for a long time. I don't want to get rid of them, so I just store them here if I want to swap them out or whatever. And my little coquette cast iron, and my little cast iron skillet and stuff like that. And last but not least, well, actually it's not last or least, but my armoire that I keep my canning jars and canning supplies in need a desperate dusting, where I keep my bread maker. And this is just decor, the glass situation, and my two of my watering cans for my house plants. A little black one for my palm, like, anyway, one is for regular and one is for my palm, like what do you call those things? Plants, house plants. And this is just my little vignette, my little glass vignette, little stuff like that. You remember these apple juice jars or whatever, and you guys, if you know me, you know I love like glittery, sparkly and stuff, so I always decorate something with fingernail polish or some kind of paint or something like that to enhance it or whatever, zhuzh it up. Now don't look too closely over here. Again, this place is very dusty also, that needs a lot of tender love and care, and this is just the stand where I keep our everyday stuff, like my mixer is here, my everyday crock pot, my other two are in another space. Of course, our toaster, our coffee pot, and then our everyday cookware, my stainless steel cookware, and our everyday enamel cast iron skillets, as well as our regular cast iron skillets, and a couple of my pots and whatnot. And I do keep these between all of my pots, casserole dishes, all, you know, normally I'll use, you know, these or old dish towels and stuff like that, or towels, just to keep it cushioned and keep it safe and kept from getting scarred up. And like I said, don't look too close, but I got two of my small, what do you call those things? Food processors there, for quick, easy access. So yeah, so this is another area that's got to get taken care of, which is going to be the hardest one. Then last but not least is the top of this refrigerator is so dusty. It needs to be cleaned. The front needs to be cleaned with the stainless steel, well, cleaner also. So, and then I need to organize their vitamins and stuff like that. So I got my little work cut out for me. This is all that what I'm going to be getting into today. Let me know down in the comment section what you're going to be getting into, what's on your to-do or your to-did list. And yeah, I'll talk to you in a little bit.